For this beret project, we are using Ashoke fabric cut into 2 square pieces, each measuring 12 by 12 inches. Take the first piece, fold it in 4, then mark a 6-inch radius from the center and cut. This gives us a full circle. Repeat the same process for the second piece. Fold into 4, mark a 6-inch radius and cut. Now on this same piece, mark a smaller 3-inch radius at the center and cut that out to form a donut shape. Next, cut your lining using the same method. For this project, I'm using Ankara fabric as the lining. We will also need a bias strip measuring 1.5 inches by 26 inches. Now layer both Ashoke pieces as shown and sew around the circular area using a 0.5 inch seam allowance. If you are working with a soft fabric, it is a good idea to iron on interfacing or soft wadding to give it some structure. Do the same for the lining. Place the lining inside the Ashoke with wrong sides facing each other and top stitch around the edge. To finish off, close the raw edge using a bias strip. Start by folding one end of the bias. Sew it from the wrong side, preferably along the stitch line. Next, double fold it by 0.5 inch to the right side and top stitch neatly. Your beret is fully reversible and ready to wear. The project is complete. If this tutorial was helpful, do drop a comment, like, share and subscribe. Don't forget to turn on your notification bell for more videos. Bye.